Okay, write in word or phrase the best completed statement of the answer and the equation can provide statement reason proof for the congruent. So we have to prove that the triangle ACB are congruent with the triangle DCE. It's given the AC segment is equal DC. The AC is equal DC, and the reason is gets given. Now the angle BAC are equal the angle EDC. Okay, and this is given also. Okay, and also finally the angle ACB is equal the angle ECD, and this is by vertical. These are vertical, and the conclusion is the triangle ACB are congruent with the triangle DCE, and the criteria is by the criteria angle side angle. Okay, again it's proof that the triangle SIT are congruent with the triangle TRS. Okay, the first is the angle AST are equal with the angle RTS. This is given. The segment AS is equal RT. Is given also. And the TS side is common side. Therefore, it's the same. Therefore, the conclusion is the triangle SIT are congruent with triangle TRS by the criteria SAS. Okay, 11 is isosceles triangle. Therefore, the measure of the angle B is equal angle C. Opposite angle to the same side, isosceles, by isosceles. And angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal 180 degrees. But A angle is 117, so 117 plus X plus another X can be and C is equal 180 degrees. Now 2X is equal 180 minus 117. Just equal 63. Divided by 2, X is equal 31.5 degree. Is the angle X gets BOC. This is BOC. Okay, is 31.5 degree. That's the answer. Okay, number 12 and 13 is pretty easy. It's for the given pair of the similar triangle, name the corresponding side or angle in another triangle. It's obvious in 12 the angle A is associated with the angle R according to the position. In 13 the angle B is associated with the angle T. Okay, 14 is giving this information. Triangle ABC are congruent or similar with the triangle DEF. And the angle B is given a 59 degree. And according to the position and the side, this is associated directly with the angle E. And this is the question, what is the angle E? E, of course, is exactly the same, 59 degree. Okay, 15. If the triangle ABC are similar with the triangle DEC, and the segment AC is 8 centimeter, and the angle AE is 58 degree. We need to find the angle B. Angle B, you don't know, question mark. But according to the position, it's obvious. Okay, this is 8. This segment is 8. I suppose that this segment is also 8. And this is obvious. Okay, the angle B is equal to the angle E. And therefore, the conclusion is then angle B is equal 58 degree. Okay, corresponding with the option B. Okay, 16 is using Pythagoras theorem. So for finding the hypotenuse, C is equal square root A squared plus B squared. In the 16 example, is square root 12 squared plus 16 squared. 12 squared is 144. 16 squared 256. Adding each other is 400. And the square root 400 is 20. 20. Okay, the option C is the answer. In 17 is similar, but the difference is that we apply the formula in different way. For example, B, the missing side is the square root hypotenuse square minus A square. So B is equal to square root 10 square minus 6 square. 10 square is 100. 6 squared 36, subtraction is 64, and the square root of 64 is 8. And the answer is 8, is the option 8. Okay, find the area, identification, the figure is a rectangular, and the formula is area is equal length times width. As multiplication, 30 times 90 is 2700 meters, square meter. Get the option D. And this is triangle. The formula of triangle is 1/2. Multiplication the base, multiplication the high. And this is right triangle, 90 degrees. This is the high then. So 1/2, the base is 20, and the high is 15. Now this is simplification. 20 divided by 2 is 10. 10 multiplied times 15 is 150. 150 square inch, like 8. Okay, we continue with the area. Area of the triangle is 1/2 base times high. Is 1/2, the base is 31, and the high is 20. 20 divided by 2 is 10, multiplied by 31 is 310 centimeter, square centimeter. Okay, the option D. Okay, another triangle. Area 21 is another triangle, 1/2. Base and height, 1/2. The base is 40.5. This is the base, and the height is 48. Okay, now using the calculator, the answer is 972 square inch, like you see. Okay, 22 is a parallelogram, and the formula for the area is exactly the same, the formula for the rectangle. Length times, in this case, base times height, much better. This is the base and this is the height. So 7 times 7 is 49 square centimeter. And finally, the trapezoid. The formula trapezoid is a little bit more complicated. It's area is equal 1/2 b plus b multiplied by h. Okay, area is equal 1/2. Who is b? Capital B is 12. The big base. Little b is 6. There's another base. They are parallel side of the trapezoid. Multiplication by height is 5. So 1/2 times 18 multiplied by 5 is 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9 times 2 is 45. 45 square feet. Get the option D.